Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to set up MX records for Google Workspace on Namecheap. So basically in your hosting dashboard, navigate to the hosting and then click on go to cPanel. And once you're here, you need to look for the zone editor. That's mostly going to be under domains. And you click on zone editor. And here you need to look for the domain you want to add the MX records to. So I'm just going to add it to website 14. And once you see this, click on manage and click on MX records. So Google wants you to basically delete any MX records existing ones so we can add the new ones. So go ahead and click on delete and click continue. Right, so now we need to get the actual MX records from Google Workspace. So you can either log into your admin dashboard in Google Workspace, or you can just search for it in Google. I'll drop this link in the description so you don't need to do this. So anyway, so here are the MX records that we need to be adding. So assuming this is clean, there's no other MX records, you need to add one by one. So this is the first one. So you copy that and click on add MX records. And the priority is going to be 1. So 1, and the destination is this once. So paste that. You can leave the time to live TTL like as it is. Well, they've mentioned 3600, but then by default it's 1200 here, so it's fine. So click on add record. Right, it's added. Now the same exact thing we need to repeat for the remainings. So I'm just gonna do it quickly. So that's about it, guys. So once you've added all of these from here, that's about it. Your email should be working fine now. If you have trouble setting up GSuite, Google Workspace, then you can just comment below. I can help you with that. And in case you're using something like Zoho or Yandex or something like that, the process is pretty much the same. You will get a bunch of MX records from your email provider. You take that and you add it here. Make sure you delete the existing ones, otherwise there'll be a bunch of conflicts. But that's about it. So thank you for watching.